Hello there, YouTubers. So here's a quick and easy way to make Hummingbird Nectar for the little birdies. You want to watch them flying around and stuff. So you need a couple simple ingredients. You can either use measure cups or you can eyeball it. This is a half cup of sugar to 2 cups of water. So it's 1 part of sugar to every 4 cups of water. So this is going to go into here. Just like that. And stir it up. So, and then you can, again, stir it up. So after you see the water come to a very slow boil, you'll turn it off. You want to wait a few minutes and let it cool down before you pour it into through your spout here. So I have my little funnel here. Pour it in there. Set. Now I'm ready to hang it. And watch little birdies feed on the sugar juice. Alright, man. Thanks for watching my video, guys. And stay tuned for more do-it-yourself videos such as this one. Peace out.